7 Moja Love ngegama nguBuji Biko ngithi namhlanje sizeshosha nguve sohlangana nobhuti abambiza ukuthi uSilo othi kunesithanda asithanda from kudala angakwazi ukusitshela kodwa unovalo akazi ukuthi akhulume kanjani ngathi don't worry we'll be your mouthpiece sokusiza ukuthi uhambe uyokhuluma naye sikhiphe kwababa so hlala nathi sambe sobona uSilo simkhiphe kwababa. Sawona dumela abuti.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good and how are you?
I'm good.
I bona o smart jwang wena man. Lebitso ke Buji.
Oh, ke Sello.
Ke Sello.
Yes.
Oh, what's a solo? So what is lo ka bona today o motla o shapile di khati. O re chaketse mo ko kwa baba.
Yes, going mara go baba.
Ko kwa baba.
Yes.
So ona le kwa baba wena buti.
Hanya ni fel nor.
Hanya ni fel.
Thanya na nyana.
Okay, njetse ka wena buti o sa kae? Go tsala ka bophelo ba hao fela.
Ke Sello.
Yeah.
From Sanguve.
Like how you say Sello. Yeah.
Yes.
Mhm.
Muri ele.
Wa ko di L.
Sanguve.
You go Sanguve ko di L. Okay. And how old are you?
I'm 28.
Only 28.
Yes.
Okay, so are you just also ori anko yana ke mang o just
Kalambla. Bona usune.
Yeah.
O bona lo na le ke aka. Well, that thing, you know.
That thing. What's up from Ning? Also mo jwetseli no.
Kalimi,
Umite from when?
Channels before that, yeah, I think so. Maybe.
Before that.
Yeah.
So since 2010. Waba lengwana.
After 2018.
After 2018. Mara also tlo mmona a o tsho next ko yena.
Kare ke mmoza re itse wena go rata ga ntse pe ntshwara.
Oh, how tshepe. Ona le number tsa ha ona le bua le yena ona le
tsa bua le yena go shapona di tsa maberega o sane na.
And then
I'm working.
Yeah.
Then we are all. I can write to Spanish. About the mail, what's the phone?
Yeah.
I'm going to be from busy.
Oh, busy guy in because I'll be ready. Also, busy. Oh, into Majita. Wabona re gona no o batla mo jwalo Majita tlamile nakateng e half ganyan.
Yeah.
You understand?
Anyakana kwa.
So, how shebile yena motho o like o single?
I'm not sure I'm calling Bilagading Mar. No, it's motive.
Yeah. So
don't tell Blomolo, don't know like a little go till I'm come. It's jealous.
Oh, okay. Oh, so unsumun you said so.
Oh, I listen. That's a good chance in the
So, are you willing to fight for your number one?
Oh.
So, already? No?
Yes, I am.
For sure. Let's also go.
Once.
If I Teddy hug, what's all ability places? If I Teddy hug,
hi, darling.
Oh, that's our answer. Hi, darling. All right, Priscilla.
Okay.
Eric, it's a make you wanna house choice. Joy, right? You wanna house joy, and then retlo khutla and then.
No problem.
Already?
Yes, I am.
Okay, sharp.
Guababa! Guababa! That's all.
And every little thing about you. And every little thing about you. And everything about you. And every little thing about you.
Hello, Joy. My name is Buji. Kisako Kwababa. Moja Love. So I've got a surprise for you. So today, you know what? Nari kita mai ko buali Joy ke mo jwetsa re mamela. Hona le motho o ratang. Are you willing to meet them? Oh, Krastuzang, you look so beautiful. Just 5 minutes of your time.
Okay.
Yeah? So, Joy, are you single right now?
Yeah, hamar lagi mang.
Yeah? Okay, so what do you meet?
Can you come on?
Tare Joy. O nana hore ke mang wena o shebile?
I don't know.
Ke ba bangata batho ba batlang.
Bona ba ntse ba le serious.
Askisi. But you know, I don't know meet her. Samalin, ka tsara terrible. Tsara terrible. It's her. With the flowers.
No, Emma.
Okay.
So how with it? Hola. So. He buja wila munya go bona Joy ke fitse ngare nga mohaka.
So, Sandra Joy, come closer. So this is a guy. Abutu Silo says he loves you very much. That's been forever. So, Abutu Silo. Come with you.
Ay, sana sizotrenda yazi. Wena.
Kopa ka kopela mfe wena. Ke kopela. Please.
Go beta beng.
Hagi bathong.
Ya le ke tshwile nya gore he ke re go mohaka o dumela gore o hanana.
Wena.
Go on into it now. Now I'm good. At least I feel so much.
Wena idea we gonna
I love you.
We
I love you too much, man.
So what do you think about this? Ufila jwang?
thinking your mother.
So,
History.
Nina history. And so what happened?
We grew up hard and stuff.
You grew apart.
Yeah.
But now
No,
you
he's going to come rather than what happened.
when saying when ka tlo ntse yentse wa ke sa o tshepi wena se ka tlong buy this ang senyetsa petrol
So, I'm not sure, but wait, it's kalang hana.
so ka je go batla mmontsha gore wa morata serious
Yeah.
but wa mona o ntse le haircut e fresh wa mona o ntse le haircut e fresh
Can't do.
jwale re tletsa jwang Ka lo tla shopong? Oh.
Hey.
Okay, so jwale re etsa jwang taba e le tla e fetsa ne le ena so gona no re ke reng re tla reng semi yes semi no
Yes. Yeah. Yes.
semi yes
Ai lo tse mele chapo. Bitsa re o tla ba mo tlampotso re ntshang but na I hope ya di monate di sharp.
It's a yes, ladies and gentlemen.
Ya re nna la re fetsa ke mo ke thabileng like le pela ke buleile mo ga utlwa okay sharp a o re mo re fetsa monate. Le na le tle.
So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, Moko Soshanguve, Joy, listen, official and item. Kitabile kudu 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 kudu. From this big soul bougie bikwa kiriki tonsa ing kwa ba ba. Much love channel 157 and we're out.
Ka ya go baba ke fila monate because in tsitse thata. Because ne ke ntse ke sana go shopong ke tsaba go mo tsana mo ke ne mo dumedisa fela ke no reka chocolate. A ke tswa ntshwara na ne ke ne ya ba no ke fitse no in tsitse ka nnete. Ntho ne ke nyang ke ikreile.
Sinbulisa lapha emakhaya. Welcome to Moja Love Channel 157. Kwababa is the show. Mina igama nguBuji Bikwa. So ngithi namhlanje sila ethembisa sohlangana noBhuti Thabang. uBhuti Thabang uthi kunentokazi ashangayo ngaphakathi since 2016 siku 2025 uthi akwazi ukukhuluma naye. Make mbona ube nje aphelele nje amandla kodwa yena uyamthanda. So ngathi ukuthi Thabang masihlangane ngizokwazi ukukhipha ini kwa baba. Masifethu Thabang sibona ukuthi somsiza kanjani ukuthi athole isithando sakhe sango 2016. Iyo sangena. Njani futhi?
Ngiyaphila.
Ngikama nguBhuji.
Thabang wakunene.
Thabang wakunene. All right, usholo sibona noma wami. Okay, cool. Oh, all right. So, but Thabang, welcome uGwababa. Lona simbiza my Gwababa baby.
Ay, ngiyambona.
Ozokusiza ukuthi sikhiphe lo valo nalo.
Yeah.
Sawusitshele ke ngabanzi ngawe bhuti wami. So, Thabang wakuphi?
uThabang ngiphumela okushini elincane bathi emfihlweni eGrave Town Thembisa.
Okay.
Ngikhulele lapho ngikhuliswa single parent.
Yeah.
Nge-age I'm 30 years old.
Okay.
Yes. Yeah. Kuna le ntombi engiyibonile igama layo uTebogo.
uTebogo.
Yeah, which is yena mdalanyana nakimi. She's 35 but age is just a number.
Age is just a number. Thabang kushanga 5 years.
Hayi, uthando. Ngiphathana kahle nempatho.
Oh, okay. So umbona kuphi lo sisi lo?
Siloke siyashutha nje emasetini siyahlangana yabona. Masiloke nje kunama-shoot wama-background siloke siyahlangana lapho. So hayi masiloke sokuyisikhathi sibonana ngoba sesicale lento from 2016 so sokuyisikhathi siloke sibonana.
So 2016 to 2025.
Yeah, sokuyisikhathi. Manje umuntu oserious kakhulu.
So lokho umbona from 2016 to 2025 awenzi next.
Kunzima ukukhuluma phela serious and
lenzima kangaka.
Serious kakhulu lo muntu and unokhuluma ngomuntu wakhe manje ngisaba ukuthi kuzosuka ngiphoxa.
So unomuntu.
Yeah.
Lo muntu esiyakuyo unomuntu.
Yeah, mina mara ngithatha ama chance.
Thatha ama chance serious. So lo sisi siyakuyo unomuntu. Wena unamuntu single wena.
Nginokubamba ama piece job nyana lapho nalapho mara ngithi.
Kuningi yazi ngakho kuningi. So unama piece job wabambayo.
Yeah, mara sengiyekelile sengifuna ukuba straight nje.
So ufuna uba straight naye. So kahle uzimiseleni mayengavuma uzowenza kanjani?
Ngizobheka yena.
Uzofocus again.
Yeah.
Makuthi crap ke.
Hayi, empilweni kune win no lose vele empilweni.
Yeah.
Kunjalo ngizoyesephelele phambili.
Oh, okay. Mara manje Thabang mina ngine stress ukuthi manje njengoba sokukhipha siyokhulumela phambili. Yabona manje ufaka ama flops.
Kuthi manje
You understand ukuthi ukuzimisela kuyashoda. Yabona mawushela kwamele ube like ukuzimisela manje sengine stress ukuthi phaca skipa. You understand? So why for ungavuma uqoba umuntu afaka agqoke nje. Phela kwamele impress.
Yeah, ukuthi yazi yeah.
Masenze kanje ne uzokushiya la. And then mina nabantu bami futhi yazi sine drama. Literally we're going to impress her. Siyomchama and then sizama umtshela ukuthi wena usishaya ngayo. Then you're going to do the talking later on.
Sizosikhulumela mina ndoda.
Okay, cool. So I think hami ngikuye and then when angishiya lana ungamushi ngiyabuya.
Ngizoba discipline.
Sharp. Hello, Sissy. Hello. Hi. How are you? Shiny? I've got a nice gift for you.
Is it?
Yeah. This is for you. Shiny?
I was like, what's happening? What's going on? Because I don't know, like, there's no way you can not or anything like that. Because I know very well, it's not happening on my side.
I'm still to come out. Tebogo, right?
Yes, I'm Tebogo.
How are you, Tebogo?
You're making me nervous.
My name is Buji.
Okay. Oh.
Yeah. So, kuno muntu oshanga. Kuno muntu oshanga. ukuthanda ngenhliziyo yakho yonke.
Uratanda. Aruratanda.
So uthanda wena ngenhliziyo yakho yonke, so ufuna ukukutshela ukuthi uyakuthanda nokuthi uyakudinga.
Oh God, oh my God.
So ungafuna ukumbona?
Ke mama to. Yeah.
Wena wacabanga ukuthi ubani?
I don't know.
You don't know? And I hope usingile ngithi.
I'm single and of course I'm already taken.
Oh, you're single but you're already taken. Also in between.
Yeah.
Nangu. What's up with? Well, he's not tall, dark, and handsome as you asked me earlier on, but this is the man.
I was like, what's going on here? Because Tabang gets very chumiaka and I can ring maybe Naliana Matata ring, a gadio ring, Rebele Batu, Humana Kamudu Kolo, and stuff like.
Hey, that's what I'm afraid. He's known you since 2016.
Oh, tell the camera mo. Tabang uwencha ele motolo unali guababa vele like nali never say napa la go bolela na khamiwa ene ka mokena a biditse mat.
So since the first time go bona from the re tlhakana ko di setting from there ka frostana just that ne ke tshabile hore ke go botse straight like life ne ke na le ditlhong, so that's why ke ngwaletse show ye hore e khone o show etsa vele hore ke a frostana mfethu ke na di feelings for wena pele ya ka mfethu ya ikepela ka wena mfethu. Masekala ngalesikhathi vele sengizibona sengiphambi kwakhe sakala sokumele vele ngimringe vele. Ayibo kunzima kimi kwaba besele ngifikele inhliziyo beseshaya ngenye temperature nkinkinking mara bokumele nami ngidonsa courage vele ngimtshele lile ngoba bokuvele ithuba lokugcina lami vele ukuthi ngimface lo muntu uyabona.
Why is it bumputshi?
Jo udula uli serious, so lina ke athaba akusi simple uri kayibe yataba ye like it's not that simple.
Mara tabanna na go ke thoma go bona go bone as my friend and then ranu bulela now and then azanga ba mputsa dilo tsa marato le gona wa yo mputsa dilo tsa marato ntishetsa di camera like why una le number ya ka una nwa wa sa mfounele wa sa mputsa ra meter sharp wa gona mputsa
Angelo batla go bontsha gore setšhaba ka fela se bone gore o yakuthanda serious like ngenhliziyo yakhe yonke. And so o batla go bontsha bona gore wa se reng go rata loudly ki a o batla like yakuthanda.
I'm shocked. Yo, what's going to so? Okay, you know what? Now na le motho ke le busy le ene o ke jola le ene at the moment.
Yeah, ka frostana ke just ora kana courage or
Fela gore ke a frostana ithi nyakuthanda.
Nyakuthanda just that angina courage.
I don't know.
So how long have you been dating the guy? Wow.
For it's about 1 year 2 months now. We are roughly there.
Oh, 1 year 2 months. And it's not going strong.
It's not.
It's not going strong at all.
No, it's not.
I guess it's hard. How?
Like I'm just lonely in the relationship. Like I'm feeling lonely, but I mean in relationship.
You're in a relationship but you're lonely. How can you remedy the situation? Ungamsiza kanjani? Because uyamuzwa ukuthi ku-relationship mara ulonely. Yini ofuna ukuyenza? Uyamuzwa ukuthi so uyayibona inkinga ukuthi kuphi. Siyenza kanjani?
Mara thaba ngichumi yami.
Ke chomi yayo.
Like motho lo ring nna ke no mona belo ka motho mo friendly chomi ya go lo ra zanga mpotsa dilo tsa marato. So ge ke monagana es chomi ya.
How mo bone beyond next?
No.
Bengazi ukuthi mina yang friend zone yabona. Manje ngifuna ngihlalise ebenchini ngiloko ngibhizi ngomapa yabona. Yenye nje futhi engenza ukuthi ngiphathe amapeni yabona.
I never thought of that.
Now let's think about it here.
Yeah, ke tseba hore awayibona jwale it's just that nna mfethu ke kepela it's just that I didn't have that much courage yabona. But kajeno ke at least bangithuse ke khono bebe ya tafleng taba ye ya hore ke a frosta.
Le drama wa ka di camera.
And that mfethu is not that easy. It's not that easy. yabona awusi easy but sonzile nna ke beta
Okay. So u single Thaba?
yeah not kissing
For how long?
it's been years from 2019 because the rest needed a piece job nyana that azange kaba into a solid yabona
Re ke nagane ka we. Ke tla nagana.
O tlo nagana? O tlo nagana?
Ke tlo nagana.
So u lonely, so sine task date in
yeah i-date here ngibona ukuthi here step
uhlanganisa imali, so wamele uphakamisa ama-secret socks ngenkani.
yeah
Yabona? All right, so Alston, thank you so much. At least umzulu ubhuti ukuthi uthini. Ngizonipha isikhathi nginyana ukuthi nizame ukubonda. Ngamuphi hug.
Oh my God.
yabona ukubhalela le show le gwababa kungisize kakhulu ngoba kungenzile ukuthi ngikhona ukhipha lento ebengidla sonke lesikhathi la esifubeni yabo so ingisize kakhulu
Well, there's hope. There's hope. Nisibonele, there's hope.
I mean, like, ke motho lo reng o bile brave enough for am botse the we are feeling ka gona e sala bana mo pela di camera o tshere matsapa man. It shows you can need why nyaka this thing, so why not?
njengoba behlele etafuleni vele siceka sidla ama siqhwale sisisu ngamapapa vele njengoba bese-dateini sakhuluma one-on-one sahlala phansi siloke sishaya ama-drinks ya kunethemba nyana ukuthi nami ngingangena 100% although kusashoda 20% inyana ukuthi singene yabona ukuthi nami ngigudluze le mpatha yabona ukuthi kube yimi 100% yabona but ngiyabona ukuthi sibe-dateini kusisize kakhulu
Kwa baba! Nazo!